All right, so this week there are 2 parts to assignment number 6. Part 1 is to submit the final, revised, polished copy of your rhetorical analysis essay, and the other is to answer some questions, some rhetorical analysis questions regarding a Pamela Paul text. Both of those are due by 11:59 this Friday, but I want to point out how integral it is to submit your rhetorical analysis final essay. And I would say even if a student did 0 assignments up until this point, think about if you look at the syllabus and you look at the assessments and activities, the rhetorical analysis essay is 20% of your grade. The next essay, that final essay, the argumentative research essay, is 20% of your grade. The multimodal project, which is the third thing that you're going to work on, that final submission is 15% of your grade. You will do a course reflection at the end of the semester, which is worth 10% of your grade. So if you total that up, that's 20, 20, 15, 10. So that's 20, 40, 35, or 20, 40, 55, 65% of your grade is still available. And that doesn't even take into account that you're going to do a draft of the argumentative research essay, you're going to do a draft of the multimodal project, you're going to do a self-review of the argumentative research essay, and that there are other assignments factored in that are also a percentage of your grade. So number one, if you're happy where your grade is at, make sure you take the time to look at my comments on your draft, make sure that you look over your self-review, look at assignment number 3. In the module, there is a sample rhetorical analysis essay, the Google Slides for the Nancy Mayer's text. These are all things that you can look over to make sure that you have your rhetorical analysis exactly where it needs to be. Now, also with that, like I said, let's say your grade is not where you'd like it to be. Maybe you didn't even submit a draft. You need to get this rhetorical analysis essay completed. Look at the sample essay, look through the handouts that I've provided, look at the Google Slides for the Nancy Mayer's text, which provides a really good example of a thesis statement for rhetorical analysis, and write it. Even if it's the first time you're putting together the rhetorical analysis, write it, submit it. No one, no matter what their grade is, can afford to lose that 20% grade. And then if you look at it on the flip side, this is a gigantic opportunity, if you haven't been doing some of the work this semester, to get back on track and then right the ship when it comes to the argumentative research essay and the multimodal. So there is still time. So with that all being said, I look forward to reading your final submissions and your answers to the Pamela Paul questions. And I hope everyone's having a good week. We got a couple of days left. Make sure you get those submitted by 11:59 this Friday.